You and me, we used to be together, every day together, always. I really feel that I'm losing my best friend. I can't believe this could be the end. And it looks as though you're letting go. And if it's real, well, I don't want to know. Don't speak, I know just what you're saying. So please